Well, hey there now and again, love bunnies. It's your girl PW giving you the know-how on the fashion how-to. Thank you so much for joining me again. And right now, I am going to show you all about how to make your shirts look vintage. Now, let me give you this rule, okay? Let me start you off the right way. The thing about having vintage clothes, you can buy vintage and you can buy something to make it look like vintage, but you have to accessorize. That is the #1 rule. Something by itself, unless it is old, is not going to look old. So let me give you some tricks of the trade taught by me. Come on. Okay, so a pair of earrings, you can't find these in any store. They're clearly handmade. They have the leather, they have this acrylic paint that will last through the test of time. These are old. You can tell these are from like the late 80s, early 90s, and it's all about that accessory. Now look, this is actually a new updated ring. You can tell through the elastic band that we're now putting on all the rings. But this color, this dark green was so prevalent back in the day. They used to make suits and blazers out of it. So you really have a couple options. And a brooch. You can't go wrong with the brooch. The bigger, the better. The brighter, the more bling, all of that. It's just a great little piece. And it really, really kind of plays down anything. And you really want different aspects of your vintage style. Now these, who knows whose pen this was? I don't know. It says 400 hours. Who knows? Maybe it belonged to Jose. It's ours now. You want little intricate details like that. Also, when you're shopping, you don't want to get things that look brand new. You don't want to get things like that. You want things where the paint is coming off, things that tell a story. You really want some history behind your vintage pieces. You could always get a great older tie, and florals always look old, and you can definitely find these at your local thrift stores. They're really, really easy to come by, really easy to do, and they really just make everything look, I mean, that much older, just to be honest with you. And also just old hats. This is a newer hat, but the fabrication, because it's tweed or your burlap or your brocade, that's going to make something look old. You really want to go in with your older fabrics. And also your scarf. You just kind of want to take a scarf, with some type of something on it to really give it a great older look. You want something with a little weft to it, a little depth, a little detail to really give it that look. Okay, now a really quick tip, gentlemen. I know you're like, well, what about me? Quick tip to look vintage. Don't iron your shirt. And I'm not talking about your cotton poplin shirt. It's not going to work with those kind of shirts. But when you have like a shirt that has a print on it, you want it to look kind of wrinkled and like busted up. It doesn't make a difference. You'll still put it on. And it's not like the wrinkle. It's just like the pop it out the dryer look. That's kind of what you want, because you want the collar to kind of be messy and things like that. And that really gives you a nice polished over vintage look. You put on some of your older jeans, you cuff the bottoms. The vintage is trying not to look so polished, okay? Now ladies, last quick tip, but a really, really, really great tip. Let me show you this. This is a brand new shirt, and we can tell it's brand new because it has all the sequins and the square paillettes on it. And they just started making all of those good pieces to put on clothes. The great thing about this, let me show you how you can make it look vintage in 2.2 seconds. Remember I told you, a sweater will save you. 1, 2, 3. You see that old grandmama sweater? You throw that over something and it looks really, really great. And then you throw a hat on top of it. You can't go wrong. Vintage in 2.2 seconds. Come on now. It's your girl PW signing off on eHow.